to Apollo Sanchez. Don't listen to Sangkay Janjan and even who else was that person anyway? Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, because both of them are trolls. I say to Apollo Sanchez, oh, you should listen to Ate Pura, oh, the retired teacher aide in CDIFI. You remember Ate Pura? Bonono, the mother of Miguel. Ate Pura Bonono was 66 years old. She is older than than who is older than Bongbong Marcos is older than Ate Pura. Ate Pura 1958. Oh. The mother of Miguel Bonono is an anti-Marcos. Oh. At least I failed to listen to Ate Pura. Do you remember Ate Pura? She was a teacher aide in CDIFI. I was there. I was still there in Teacher May's class. For 17 years I've been there. But Ate Pura said to me at the time, I never vote Bongbong Marcos for Vice President of the Philippines. I vote the Vice President of the Philippines is Leni Robredo. She voted Marojas and Leni Robredo. Like me, I voted Rodrigo Duterte and Alan Cayetano. My dad voted. But recently, I advise to everyone to those BBM trolls, even Sangkay Janjan and Teacher May Tiburcio and other Marcos loyalists. Don't be such a bully to Mang Rodelio Daguman. Have mercy to that person. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman's sister, who's married a foreigner, an American. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman's brother, Robin Daguman, who was what's that? Zumba instructor. He said that magkano ba ang bills sa hospital bills para gamutin ang nanay ko. That's what he said. You know, I say to you, Sangkay Janjan and Teacher May Tiburcio, have mercy to both of yourself. Have mercy to both of yourselves, even your family, even your friends, even your loved ones. Have mercy. Like I said, look at what happened to Mang Rodelio Daguman. I know he was being bullied, he was being bashed by followers by Sangkay Janjan. Have you experienced that the mother of David Gill, Mrs. Annie Gill, was being bashed by followers by Sangkay Janjan? When I seen this in evidence, when I was being summoned by Kapitana Salonga, this is really my fault, but it's not my fault also. It was Sangkay Janjan. You know, Sangkay Janjan, Teacher May Tiburcio, both of you, have mercy on your family. Don't be such a troll to Joseph Maspinas, Mang Rodelio Daguman. Joseph Maspinas was being depressed. He was bullied by Teacher May Tiburcio. And even Sangkay Janjan, he bullied Mang Rodelio Daguman. Rodelio was being depressed. What happened to Kuya Rodelio? He cannot eat, he cannot work because of bullying. You know, this is my message to the BBM trolls, Apollo Sanchez and I, we're angry at all of you. Puro kayo mga bastos, puro kayo mga walang ya. Like I said, you know, you're bullying anybody who were anti-Marcos. You're bullying anybody, those people who were anti-Marcos, they have their own freedom of expression. Oh, is this what you like, to bully anybody? Ah, you know, Mommy Ellen Olea had left the Marcos loyalist. She's no longer to be a Marcos loyalist. Oh, she joined with the Duterte supporters. Oh, I know Kuya Allison is an anti-Marcos. And Ate Claire Olea, that was a mother of Alden Olea, she's also anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Like I said before, look at Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Why Teacher Jessa Fernandez never posts on Facebook? Because all of you, those BBM trolls, are bullying Teacher Jessa Fernandez. That she is anti-Marcos. Here's my message to the Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. Huwag kayo puro bully. You know, I'm not making bullying. Like I said, I know I reconcile with Teacher Jessa Fernandez. She is not my enemy. She's my teacher. Oh, she is a friend of Teacher Ruti Barrientos or friend of Teacher Lendel. It's not really good. What if all of you bully Teacher Mara? Oh, if she is anti-Marcos. It's not really good to make bullying. You know, here's the warning to Sangkay Janjan, Teacher May Tiburcio, and other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, who were BBM trolls. Even Kuya Kopio, even the others, stop making yourself bullies. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Everyone. Don't be such a bully. Do you really know what happened to Emma Natienza? She was commit suicide. She cannot feel that what she has to do, and she cannot feel what really happened. She was being bullied by Marcos loyalists who were BBM trolls. And one of them, the followers of Sangkay Janjan, they bullied Emma Natienza. I know Emma Natienza, the daughter of Kim Atienza, was an anti-Marcos. Her father, Kim Atienza, was a victim of Marcos martial law. Oh, have you never heard about the history, about what is really happened? My Ninong Michael is an anti-Marcos. Tito Mac is anti-Marcos. Nanay Banji, anti-Marcos. Kuya Jojo and Ate Ellen are anti-Marcos. Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, Nanay Net, Ate Isa, and Kuya Jay are anti-Marcos. Even Nanay Banji, Nanay Ningning, they are all anti-Marcos. Even Tatay Delpin and Kuya Dong are anti-Marcos. Ate Mirasol is an anti-Marcos. Paulo Siaco, anti-Marcos. They're all people there are anti-Marcos. Jens Manaid, even his family members, are anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Even Bill Galang, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Lendel, even Teacher Ruti Barrientos, Teacher Joy, Teacher Marisa, and Teacher Mirna, and Teacher Chris. They're all anti-Marcos. There's only two idiots who were pro-Marcos, is Sangkay Janjan and Teacher May Tiburcio. Among them are two idiots. Those two idiots anyway, that Teacher May Tiburcio and Sangkay Janjan, they need to learn a rehab. Don't be such a bully. Don't be such a bully when those people are anti-Marcos. Alright? Because, there is reflection to anybody. Even you, Kuya Kopio. Reflection. If everyone are anti-Marcos, let us respect our own opinion, our own freedom of expression. Me and Denzel Joshua are anti-Marcos. Oh, because I know we are all also anti-Marcos. Oh, let's see what will happen. I'm asking you, Teacher May Tiburcio, Sangkay Janjan. I challenge both of you to visit Bantayog ng Bayani. You see what happened to those Filipinos who were killed and murdered during by Marcos Sr. regime. And even not even that, there is Jabida massacre in Cavite. Hundreds of Shia and Sunni Muslims who were murdered and executed by Marcos Sr. to force them to invade Malaysia in Sabah. And not even just that, you see what happened in the statue of Ninoy Aquino who was assassinated in tarmac in the airport. And you see the statue of Ninoy Aquino, that our hero, that he was assassinated. Let's see what really happened. Even Cory Aquino, our true hero too. Oh, I know I am angry to those people who were fake Filipinos. Among them are Marcos loyalists, even Ilocanos, even Teacher May Tiburcio, and Sangkay Janjan, and Kuya Kopio. All of you are assholes. Mga gago kayo. That's why. I'm sorry for my bad words in English and Tagalog. I know this is really shameless. Nakakahiya na. That's why. You know, Mang Rodelio Daguman and Joseph Maspinas are being depressed. Don't compare them like Emma Natienza.